So in this Questrade tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to buy Amazon stock, ticker symbol AMZN in Canada, here on Questrade. So once Questrade's opened up, go to the bottom left, go to the top right, press on either option, buy and sell, and or the search icon. As I mentioned before, type in ticker symbol AMZN. At the top, Amazon.com. Go ahead and press on that. Then go to the bottom left, press on buy. Now, once you're here, you can either type in the quantity of shares you want to purchase or the dollar amount of shares you want to purchase. Once that is done, go to the bottom, press on next, and then follow the next steps to confirm the transaction. So, very straightforward, very simple. This is how to buy Amazon stock, ticker symbol AMZN in Canada on Questrade. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.